This video tutorial I will cover using P namespace how to inject the dependent object. Here I have defined the class address. It has two properties, city and state, and it has setter and getter methods for these two properties. And here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has three properties, ID, name, and address. Address is the dependent object, and getter and setter methods for these three properties. And here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined P namespace. Using P namespace, ID of employee object is injected as 100, and name of employee object is injected as Peter, and address is injected here. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and displaying the employee object. Here you can see the output. Employee object ID is set as 100, and name is set as Peter, and address object is injected in employee object.